Okay, so if you have a Mustang, this is a 2006 Mustang GT, and you notice your door paneling is peeling off. We're going to go ahead and show you how to fix that today. Probably take you about 30 minutes. So the items you're going to need to have are some paper bags, some type of plastic tool. You'll see in a moment what to use that for. 3M automotive masking tape, 3M super trim adhesive, and some scissors. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and take the paper bags and cut an outline around the door area where the material has fallen off. And once you've cut that outline, you're going to want to go ahead and start taping that with the masking tape. So when you're putting the tape on, you're going to want to go ahead and put an outer perimeter around the area. You're going to slide that tape into the crack and then fold it up. And then you can use your plastic tools to wedge that in there. When putting your masking tape on, you can just actually set it like this so that there's a little bit of a lip on the upper part, and then you can push it in with the tool. And that way you don't have to try to slip the tape in. Again, another example of how you can just push it in with the tool. You just lay it over and then push it in. Okay, so now we got the door masked off with masking tape, the 3M automotive masking tape, and now we're going to add the paper. What you can do is you can start cutting it out to the shape of the door, and then you add and tape it on above that. Okay, once you've got the door taped, you can start adding the paper, and you can start sealing the paper to the masking tape. Okay, so now that the door is taped up and there's paper covering everywhere, next we're going to take the glue and we're going to spray it on the inside of the door and on the material there. And then we're just going to wait like 5 minutes and let it dry, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, so it says that you want to allow it to dry at least 4 minutes, but not more than 30 minutes. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and apply the adhesive. I'm just going to wear a mask just because of the fumes. You're going to want to go ahead and get in the cracks. Make sure you get in the cracks real nice and good. Let it dry for a minute. All right, we're going to go ahead and start to apply the cloth to the door. and then use the tool to go ahead and get the leather back into the crevices and fit it on the door. Okay, so then you just want to go ahead and fit with the tool you have, fit the top of the leather into the crevice there and just make it sure there's a nice fit. We'll come back and smooth this out in a moment. So we found that if you peel the tape off, it's easier to get the material pushed in after the tape's been removed. Okay, so you might have to do some touch-ups, just so you know, with some glue. Okay, so the door's done. There's a little residual glue on the sides, and some of the cloth is sticking out a little bit. I'm just going to run a Sharpie over it so it looks and matches the same color. But that's a quick fix, a lot cheaper than the $1,000 than the dealership wanted for the door panel, and a lot easier than going to a junkyard. So hopefully that helps you if you have this problem. Thanks for watching. Thanks, guys. And the best part is having kids around, you can have them do all the cleanup.